Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to customize WooCommerce cart page. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to head over to our WordPress editor right here, and we have in here our pages on our dashboard. So scroll down until you can see in here your cart page. So we can head over and just click on this view right here. And let's first see what we're working with in this case. I have in here my cart page, and I have in here this your cart is currently empty. This because the visitor that I have is currently empty. It doesn't have any cart or products added to the cart. Now, if you want to edit it out, you can actually click on this edit page right here. Click on this edit page, and then once you have clicked on that, you will be redirected to the block editor of WordPress. You also have the option to edit it through Elementor or some other editing options. But on default, the editor of WordPress is actually this block editor that we have. So let's just wait for this. And as you can see, this is a preview of what it has. So this is actually only a placeholder. And this is what it looks like once you have head over and added something or some products onto your cart. So I have this right here. When you click on it, it is actually the filled cart. So you can also switch view right here. It can be an empty cart, which is what we have in here. This is what it looks like on an empty cart, and this is what it looks like on a filled cart. So if you want to edit things out, you have the option in here to click on this turn, where you can block and editing. You can also right click right here in order to copy and rename it. Another thing that you can do is you can head over and click on this plus icon right here in order to add some blocks that you can choose from. So we have in here this also. So this is a related product that you can add on your purchase. And when you scroll down, you can see in here this plus option wherein you can add. You can also see in here the subtotal, the fee, and this. You can also see in here this gift. So when you toggle this, you should be able to see some things like, for example, this field cart also, and also this block icon. So you can move this around if you want to as well. And you can see in here the total and also this receipt to check out right here. Now you can see in here that we have some things that we. So here's some widgets like total, coupon, heading, gift card, total, and also you can see this separator right here wherein you can separate some designs, add some image, paragraphs, and all of this right here. So just make sure to edit according to your liking, and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.